Good morning, and welcome to Coolin's Morning Inspirations. I just wanted to start this day off by saying good morning, and that I hope that you have a very productive day today. And I also want you to open up today. There's a lot of the only type of people that you normally interact with are the people that are in your circle or people that you talk to on the internet. But we really don't open up to talk to different individuals, somebody that you're passing by, just to say, hey, how you doing? I'm good. That little interaction right there can open doors to networking with people you've never thought that you would ever speak to or have a relationship with. Open up. There's probably people at your job that you've never spoke to, or for whatever reason you don't want to speak to them, or you feel like you wouldn't vibe with that person or get along with that person, or I don't like this, or I don't. Open up. Don't be so closed in a box. Don't make an insecurity of yours hold you back from meeting new friends. Open up. When you're out, it's okay to see something and tell a person that looks nice on them. It's okay to say, hey, that perfume smells pretty. That perfume smells good. Or that cologne is very nice. It smells very nice. It's okay to say these things. Like, we got to a point to where we don't say much to nobody. Like I said, unless they're the certain individuals that you already deal with. Open up some. Don't seem like people speak on depression and anxiety a lot. But sometimes we put ourselves in those places because we're stubborn. We let things bother us because we're so used to one thing. So when we have to do other things that's outside of the norm of what we normally do, we lose our minds. Open up. If somebody opens the door for you, you don't have to be a butt and walk straight through and just ignore that person. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Just hearing that might change a whole person's day. And you never know that. You never know when the smallest conversation, the smallest gesture, you never know when it turns a person's whole day around. It might turn yours around. But you have to open up sometimes and let people in. Let people know a little bit about you. It's okay. Yeah, there's a lot of things out here that try to harm or do harm or try to use your stuff against you. But at the same time, that there are people out there that have genuine interest in what you have to say, or have general interest in getting to know who you are, or wanting to be around. You might see somebody that you look like, you know what, that person look like they would be fun to hang with. And if both of you have the same mindset and neither one of you say anything to each other, guess what? Y'all miss out. Because now we have two people that don't want to speak to each other or don't want to open up. And they don't want to open up. And now they're sitting here in limbo, not knowing that each other was already thinking each other's thoughts. They were already on the same on the same wavelength. So sometimes you have to take the first step. Sometimes you have to open up, especially even in the dating scene. You have to open up to be able, man or woman. Let's put that out there too. Man or woman. If you see somebody you like, sometimes you have to initiate. You have to go and say hi, make a conversation, show interest. You have to show interest. And once you show interest, you never know where that can take you. So, spend today opening up, not being so shy or bashful. Like, a lot of people miss out on a lot of opportunities off being too scared, too shy, too bashful to do things, to do certain things. And then when these opportunities miss you, you make it to where it's kind of like you want to blame the world for it. You can't blame the world because you're scared to take advantage of the world. And I'm not saying take advantage in a bad way. I'm more so saying just taking advantage of it in every aspect or every way that it comes to you. If you're too stubborn or too shy to open up, you might not get the relationship with your boss that you need for advancement. Because you could be a great worker, but if you don't know how to mingle, you will be looked over and just be looked at as a good worker. You can be a person trying to get into a relationship and you pass by a person 24/7. You're always passing by this person. You know that you like this person, but you don't want to talk to this person. And then next thing you know, you see the guy that's the douchebag that's a couple cubicles down, and now he's dating her and he's getting everything that you wanted. It's just, if you want to be more, or if you want more, the box is limited. If you live inside a box, the box is limited. Hear me again. If you live in a box, let's say 16 by 16 box, you have only so far you can go. So you have to get to a point to where it's not hard for you to open up to people. I speak on this because I have a problem with it myself sometimes. A lot of times I'm in my own head all day so much that I pass by tons of people. But something that I do try to always do is say thank you if somebody opens the door, tries to open it up for me. If somebody has a question about something, I don't be an asshole about it and I answer it. Or sometimes if I see something nice, like if I walk up to a register and I notice that somebody has just got their hair done, I'll make sure to tell them, your hair looks real nice. And that's it. I'm not trying to holler at them or nothing. Just opening up a conversation. Open up something. There's nothing wrong with it. You can always open your horizon. Look towards the sky and not always looking at the ground. Trust that you can walk and just look at how far you can go and look up. Look at how far you can go. You cannot see it if you're always worrying about some shit. You're worrying about your steps that you're taking and you're not opening up. People getting opportunities over you because you're not opening up. Opportunities passing you by time after time after time after time. Open up. There's nothing wrong with it. The more that you get to open up, the better your chances are for you to get the quality of life that you want. Regardless if it's hard to get it or it comes easy. That's up to you and you only. You can make your life as exciting as you want it to be. As exciting as you want it to be. As exciting as you want it to be. You'll miss out on so much excitement. Just open up. Take this day to open up. Take every moment from the minute that you go to Starbucks to when you walk into your job, when you go exercise. Maybe not at the gym. I wouldn't say too much because, people get in their feelings about the gym. But yeah, everywhere else, open up. Have a conversation with somebody new. Compliment somebody. Ask a question about something that you want to know, but you never known. That don't make sense. But spend those times getting to know different individuals. Spend that time finding common ground with people. You might like the same shows. You might find out that you went to the same school. You never know what type of information you get from a person. You never know. You might find out that somebody likes you. But that's all I got to say for today. So I hope everybody has a wonderful and productive day. And remember, it's another day that we can laugh, love, and learn. For today was not guaranteed. A blessing never earned. Have a great day. Bye. Thank you for tuning in to the Unbreakable Black Man Podcast. Remember to listen out for up and coming shows, and you can also follow me on all social platforms at Unbreakable BMP. If you would like to reach out with topic ideas, or even if you would like to be a guest on the show, you can always reach me by email at theunbreakablepodcast@gmail.com. As we close out, always remember your tongue is strong, but your mind is even stronger. So stop just talking about it and make shit happen.
If you're trying to find love, know it's hard to keep. Even when it get tough and you wanna leave, take a look into your eyes where I find reason. Yeah. Writing love letters with my broken English. Can't say what it says. I'm wishing you well. Set the time and place and I'll meet you there. Be right there. Be right. I'll be right. Stumbling up the stairs. Please come, I need help. Can't do this alone. Show me that you're there. We've been through so much in the past week. Can we start afresh, leaving in last week? Cause I'm so gone. Fighting the temptations in that old phone. They been trying to separate